So today we are going to start with Ruta graveolens. So this is the herb or this is a plant of Ruta, you can say. This is really short shrub like plant. Okay. So common name is J. Prover is Dr. Honeyman. Family is Rutaceae. Important remedy, most important remedy for injuries, for bone pain, for your you can say chest affections, eye affections, hemorrhages, injury, rheumatism. Most important remedy. This is the most important remedy. Okay, and used clinically in a many way. It has been used clinically. Okay, so we are moved towards the introduction. Introduction among the many remedies in our Materia Medica for injuries caused by mechanical devices and appliances. Ruta is one possessing prime importance. Just like your arnica, this ruta is also having lot of importance. Okay, this is prepared from a shrub-like plant, indigenous in Europe and widely cultivated in a garden. Okay, so this is not a plant which grow in India, but it is a European plant. Okay, the juice of the plant is capable to causing irritation and inflammation of the skin when touched. The mother tincture is prepared from the fresh herb collected before the blooming. The irritating and inflammatory characters of the plant is transformed into an excellent therapeutic property after undergoing the process of potentization. So, if you are going to took this plant, if you are going to potentize it very properly, it has that excellent therapeutic property which can be brought up with the potentization, and which are really great for our practice. Okay, so constitution, there is no constitution as such, patients of Ruta, but these people are really scrofulous, exhaustosis, and warts, especially on their palms and hands. Okay, so they have that recurrency of symptoms of respiratory troubles. They are having bone problems and warts especially on the palms and hands. Relationship with heat and cold, these are chilly patient. Miasm is sora and psychosis are in the background. Clinically this remedy has been used for amblyopia, that is your eye problem, specifically single eye, one eye is having problem and another is normal. Then there are bone diseases, bruises, chest affection, constipation, enuresis. Again, this is a great remedy for enuresis, bedwetting, especially at night, eye affections, facial paralysis, fractures, hemorrhages, injury, prolapse of uterus, rheumatism, and sciatica. Okay, then pathogenesis, its action on the bone, periosteum, joints, produces symptoms of rheumatic nature, periostitis, and exostosis. So it's mainly act on bone and periosteum, and joint produces symptoms of rheumatic nature, periostitis, and exostosis. In the eye, errors of accommodation and vision. So there is amblyopia has been written in very for when in just in just above slide, because it is having that capacity to handle that eye problems. Okay, so there are error of visions, which has been error of accommodation and vision, which has been seen in this remedy. It also causes prolapses of rectum, urinary troubles, metrorrhagia, and miscarriages. uh, it is also a remedy for prolapses of rectum, also uterus. Okay, it is used for urinary troubles, metrorrhagia, and miscarriages. Then sphere of action on bones, on periosteum, joints, eye, urinary bladder, uterus, and skin. Now, if you have seen in this slide that it has been used for error of refraction or error of vision or error of accommodation. Now, many a time we use specs, or um, you can use contact lenses for that sake, but this remedy can handle all these tensions about patients. Okay, so elements from mechanical injuries, there are bruises, sprain, straining of eyes, etc. Keynotes: sore, lame, bruised feeling over the entire body, as after blow, fall on any sort of mechanical injury, especially of bone and periosteum. So there is soreness, lameness, bruised feeling all over the entire body as after blow. Okay. Just after blow you can feel that soreness, that bruised feeling, that lameness, and that means weakness and pain, and want and cannot touch the parts, and such pain you are going to feel just after mechanical injury, especially of bone and periosteum. Scrofulous exostosis after injury resulting irregular growth of periosteum and bone with sore, lame, bruised sensation all over the places. uh, Exostosis, the you can say that callus formation is hampered, and it leads to haphazard growth. Okay. And so which leads to soreness, lameness, and bruised sensation all over the place. Sprains and dislocation as well as fracture of the bones can come under the domain of this remedy. So it is remedy for your sprains, dislocations also. There is lameness and soreness of wrist and ankles after sprains. All parts of the body upon which patient lies feels lame and bruised, just like your bapticia, pyrogen, and hemimelis. Patient is physically very much restless and tosses, turn in the bed to get relief, just like your rustox. Okay, they are really very restless. They tosses in the body. They want to relief, but they didn't get it. Okay, blow over the eye, resulting in ecchymosis after using eye for fine works, and straining, resulting in blurred vision and aching in the eyes. So, in your clinically used conditions, this has been written that there is blows over the there written about amblyopia, but here the blows over the eyes resulting in ecchymosis. There are ecchymosis after blows over the eye after using eye for fine works. If someone is doing something really very fine work, and there is lot of straining results in a blurred vision and aching in the eyes. There is prolapse of rectum immediately on attempting to evacuate the bowel. When patient is try to strain for the stool, there is prolapse of rectum. Okay. Constant feeling of fullness in the urinary bladder even after urination. You will get that constant feeling of fullness in urinary bladder just after passing urine. There is flat warts on the palms and hands which are sore, lame, and there is bruised feeling. You can see in this picture there is warts on palms and hands. There is backache which relieved by lying on flat on the back. Ruta is the worse from cold and wet and relieved by motion. It get worse by cold and wet weather, and it get relieved by motion. Eyes, there is causation. Eye troubles are caused by mechanical injuries and overstrain of ocular muscles. Character of pain, there is severe aching in and over the eyes with blurred vision as if they had been strained after fine work, watch making, engraving, or looking intensely. Okay. If you are going to look towards the pain of the eyes, there is severe aching. Okay. Severe aching with blurred vision as if they had been strained after fine work or after watchmaking. You will understand that fine work. Okay. So such fine work lead to lot of pain, lot of severe aching in your eyes. There is overstrain of ocular muscle which leads to complaints. There is amblyopia. I had already told you about amblyopia. Amblyopia is called a lazy eye, a type of poor vision that happens in just one eye. It develops when there is breakdown in how brain and the eye work together. The brain can't recognize the sight from one eye. And astrometria. Astrometria is fatigue or tearing of the eyes, usually characterized by discomfort, dimness of the vision, headache caused by overuse of the visual organ, dysfunction of the ocular muscles, and incorrect refractions. From overstrain of the eye or anomalies of refraction, from overuse in bad light, fine seeing, overreading at night in dim light. Such straining on the eyes leads to a lot of complaints. So this is great remedy for your bones and eyes. Uh, Keep in mind whenever there are eye complaints, always you don't need to send patient to ophthalmologist. Okay, you can handle this patient with such remedy. Consequently, there is misty feeling before the eye with dim vision, diplopia. Gelsemium and syphilinum again are remedies for diplopia with complete obscuration of sight at distance. Eyes, there is burning, ache, red, feel strained and hot like fire with spasm of lower lid. Injuries as result from mechanical injuries, sprain, bruised injuries, fall, blow, etc. There may be scrofulous exostosis, sprain, periostatis, erysipelas, fractures, and dislocations. So try to understand it. I had talked about eye complaints till now, and I'm talking about now injuries. Okay, there is bruised feeling, there is lameness, soreness feeling all over the body, which is worst in limbs and joints. But there is scrofulous exostosis, there are sprain, periostatis, erysipelas, fractures, and dislocations. All part of the body upon which patient is lies, those parts are painful, there is bruises, okay, painful and bruised. Due to the intolerable pain, the patient is very much restless and therefore changes position quite frequently when lying. So patient real we feel that patient is really very restless. Okay, there is lot of pain which are really intolerable, and so because of that intolerable pain, patient is try to move from one part to another part. He try to change the position very frequently, and which leads to restlessness. Okay, there is lameness after sprain, especially of wrist and ankles. So this is remedy for your wrist and ankles. Okay, phthisis after mechanical injuries of chest also successfully treated by this remedy. Phthisis, tuberculosis of chest, tuberculosis of lung after mechanical injuries of chest is also tested by treated by this remedy. Obviously, tuberculosis will cause by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, but when it has been seen that old cocks has been old cock, the cavities of old cocks has been reopened due to mechanical injury. You can treat that case with this ruta. Okay, so it has been written like this. Quite often, following mechanical injuries, constipation from inactivity or impaction may also be dealt with by this drug. Okay, uh, there may often be severe backache which relieved by lying on back, and in that case, Ruta is the remedy to be thought for a complete cure. The rectum may be prolapsed immediately on attempting passage from slightest stopping or after confinement with frequent unsuccessful urging, which can be treated by this drug. Sure success is there. Okay, so this is the remedy for your rectal prolapse. This is remedy for your injuries. This is remedy for your bone, and this is again a remedy for your eye complaints. Okay. Furthermore, trouble of urinary bladder may also be cured by this the symptoms beginning begins in a pressure on the bladder which is constantly felt. The feeling of pressure continues even after urinating. The patient can hardly retain urine for some time on account of great urging. In spite of this great urging, if the desire is not obeyed immediately, it would be difficult afterwards to avoid the bladder. Urine passes involuntary. Urine may be a scanty or greenish in color. On the skin, especially on the palms of the hands, uh, warts may be appear, which are more painful, flat or smooth. Nitrum carb, nitrum mur, anacardium are the remedies for that, which may be treated with this remedy. General modalities: aggravation, touch, rest, stooping, sitting, ascending at cold weather while reading and during menses. Amelioration on lying on back, rubbing, motion, and scratching. Relationship: you can compare this remedy with Argentum nitricum, Arnica, Conium, Eupatorium, and Phytolacca, Rustox, and Symphytum. After Arnica, it hastens the curative process in the joints. After Symphytum, in injuries of bone, you can use this remedy. So, this is all about your ruta. Any query? Any query? Okay, so I'll stop it over here.